What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Hope you're all doing fine today. And we're going to do some more mechanism. Got my speedy stuff going. Look at that. So, we've got some stuff to do today, and I think I want to upgrade the reactor. We've got this all processing, doing the stuff that it needs to do. We're definitely making some progress here, and yeah, I like it. I've also dressed the armor stand, gave him a sweet crossbow. So we've got some more things to do, and we need to start making some sodium, or taking some sodium out of this electrolytic separator and storing it in a dynamic tank, because we're going to have to figure out basically how we're supposed to empty this thing out and then make a boiler and set the boiler in here. So let's grab some material. I want to grab some cobblestone bricks and then some stone bricks, and we're going to make a little bump out back here so we can fit a sweet boiler. Alright, so let's see. Stone bricks. We've got a bunch of those. And what about brick? Nope. Oops. Do I have any? I just got a few cobblestone bricks. That's it. What about regular old stone? Okay, I've got a few of those. I'm going to grab all the stone that I can. I don't want to do it. Let's just do it by name. That way it doesn't keep moving. Oh, I guess we're done anyway. Alright, so we're going to expand this out a little bit with the cobblestone bricks. And then we're going to get into things. What's up, Exceller? How are you today? And, man, let's just take a whole bunch of those. We're going to cook a whole bunch of them, too. So that... Oh, it's doing it again. Let me just break this. Let's put it back. There we go. That should be good. Let's check out the fizzle fuel stuff. Make sure that's all got power. Oh, actually, I've only got one more coal in there. Let's grab a whole bunch of this. Fill that all up. There we go. That should be good for a little while. What about uranium? Yeah, we're looking pretty good. And then we got fluorite going. All right, cool. Also, how are we doing on... Oops. How are we doing on hydrogen? We're doing good. Okay, so that doesn't need to really run right now. Let's hop back out here. And let's do that. There we go. I'm doing great, man. Thank you for the like, by the way. Let's go with our stone cutter and make a few of these. There we go. We should be good with that. And now we've got a bunch of stone. I want to try to inject some cobblestone into there. Huh. Let's turn the sorting off. There we go. Now we can get some cobblestone going. Perfect. Alright, let's inject all that stuff in there. That way it forces it. Now it's only got one spot for osmium dust to be made. Alright, so we're importing everything into our system, so when we need to, we'll just go ahead and do the thing. Alright, so I'm going to grab one of these, and then we're just going to make a quick crafting table so we have handy nearby. Let's arrange some stuff. Let's derange all that stuff and get it ready. Alright. Sodium. Actually, yeah, let's go ahead and break. What do I got here? 4, 5, 6. That should be a good sized boiler. If we break this out, then we're going to just pop it back a little bit. That way I don't need to change a ton of stuff. I can just branch off back this way and then branch off back that way. Alright, so there's that. And one more. Alright, let's get these down. Let's go 1, 2... Well, we've got a space of 6 in the middle, so we can do... actually, a 4x4 might not be good. Can I make these oblong? That's a thing. Let's try it. Let's try to make our steam boiler an oblong shape and see if it works. Alright, so then let's make some of these stones. And we got a good amount of those. What's up, Snowman? Have I seen the movie Greenland? No, I've never even heard of Greenland. The movie. I've heard of Greenland, the country. And there we go. And we're almost done. See, I like building simple. That way I can just go quick. Oh, we might be good. All right, cool. I don't even need to pull anything out of the QIO. All right, there we go. Oh, and we're going to need some of these too. Oops. So these are called pavement. Let's search pavement. And I don't have a whole lot, but let's try it out. And pavement. Alright, so diorite pavement. Let's go make some more. It's with Gerard Butler. What's it about? Alright, diorites. Let's take these in here, put them there, and we want the diorite pavement. So there we go. Now we have enough. I still can't get over like the speed, and I'm like half the max right now. All right, so we've got that. Got that all set up. This thing is nice and full of 21.75 giga FE. I actually did a little bit of stuff before I started the stream, and I made a space right here. So I did what I was going to do. I ran the reactor until this filled up with nuclear waste with polonium, and then this filled up with polonium and water. Then I had this lever, and I made the tube underneath it redstone active, and also this thing inverted for the redstone. So I flipped this, it powered this block, it changed the pressurized tube, it turned this off, and then I put in, you know, some of that crushed fluorite, and it made the stuff, emptied every little last bit of polonium out of here. I was able to break it and move it over, so it worked wonderfully. But yeah, so that was pretty cool. Octavio, what's up? How's it going? All right, let's get this stuff back because I'm pretty sure we're done building with it. We'll get that back in there and then watch it all pump out. Look at that. Oh, it's so good. Let's see, how's this looking? We should probably... Okay, it's doing all the iron dust now. Wow, it's got a lot of backlog because I did all that stone. Oh my goodness. This is just going to keep going. It's crazy. Before we do the boiler, though, we're going to have to go with the dynamic stuff. So let's get a dynamic tank. And what about glass, the structure? So we want some structure, and then we want to build some stuff. So we want a dynamic tank valve, which is going to be just dynamic tank stuff plus that. So we only need 2. Oops, that's in here. So that is a circuit. Let's grab one of these. And I think 2 should do it, right? So we go boom, 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 boom. Get that there. Dynamic tank valve. We've got that, and we've got this. And we are ready to pop this somewhere, maybe out here. And then we can put our sodium in a dynamic tank. Maybe we'll just like run the dynamic tank back here, because I think it's just going to probably be like a temporary type thing. So also we'll need sodium. Should be, is it going to be in a pressurized tube? Oops, I was searching the wrong thing. I've got 26 of the advanced and 4 of these. So if I put this next to it, is it gonna... Let's grab our network reader. And then if I put the pressurized tube there... Chlorine is being used. Sodium is in here. Okay. Alright, so there's where our sodium is. Alright, cool. So that did work. I'm just going to break that then. And we're going to use the advanced pressurized tubes. And go out here. I'm just going to put this right here, because we're going to run the whole thing anyway. So I might as well just build it, like, close. So that can go up. And then we'll do our... dynamic tank. Maybe we'll just do like a 4x4. And then we'll have our dynamic... Oh! We gotta move it back one more. Oh, probably not right now. You could... Like, if you want to put it in the Discord or something, feel free to do that. I'll check it out later, but not right now. Alright, are we good? Alright, that can go there, that can go there. Alright, and actually I've got 6 more of these tanks left, so there we go. Let's use up some structural glass. We get the valve there. And I'm going to bust that one out. So now I've got 3 left. Oh. There we go. So now we've got a sodium tank. Coolant efficiency 100%. Alright, so we've got our thing here. Alright, so let's build it over. Let's trench it out. Let's ditch witch this. Wait, I think I went too far. So we need to go to the bottom of the reactor, which would probably be somewhere around here, right? I can fill this up. And that should be pretty good. Let's see where we're at. Nice, it worked. Alright, so let's go with our advanced pressurized tubes. And just get these hooking up here. Alright, we're going to have to build some more, guys. Alright, let's run in and grab... Let's see, that should be enough. I think. Half a stack. I think we'll be good. And then we'll need some alloy. then winning. All right, cool. So let's go back over here. All right, so I got to figure out how we do this. All right, is that the edge or is that not the edge? That is not the edge. That is not the edge. That is not the edge. All right, perfect. So we can run this up, and we're going to have to make a reactor valve. Or reactor port, I mean. Let's go do that. Make sure I don't have one in the QIO. So reactor. I've got some casings. And to make the reactor port, just needs one of the elite control circuits, and we'll get 2. Alright, so we need one of those. We're going to need 2 of those, and 2 of these. Yep. Control circuit, infused alloy, that, and this gets that. That is what we need. Let's make it, and let's make this. Alright. Everybody, thank you guys so much for the likes. I'm 7 for 7 right now. That's amazing. We got 7 people watching and 7 likes. Alright, so let's break the reactor. It's not running right now. We're going to do that. We're going to get the reactor port right there. And then will that... We're going to have to try to pump stuff into it, right? So I don't know how I'm going to empty out this water. Whoa! And actually, I should turn this off, too. Okay, we have power going to that. So it's off. So that'll always be off. Alright. No matter what that block does. No, I can't grab my dropper either. So that kind of sucks. Oh, I have an idea. What if... Okay, let's stop this. Okay, we're not putting any more water in here. We're just going to drain it all out. Makes me nervous. Alright, coolant tank is empty. So now we got to fill it with sodium. Input only. Coolant is empty. Oh, maybe I need to go change the dynamic tank. It's just regular sodium, right? I don't have to do anything crazy with it. Because, yeah, that's got stuff in it. There we go. So it's pumping it out. And now it's pumping sodium in there to try to cool it down. So it's like wasting a bunch. And now it's pumping... Shit. Okay, steam's right there. There's sodium all up in this, so let's break that. Because that's not where the sodium's going to go. Alright, so hopefully it should cool this down enough. I'm just going to break that. That way it stays in here. Superheated sodium. Alright, cool. So now we got that. We're making sodium. We're filling this fission reactor with sodium, even though there's no way we could possibly ever need it. However, I might be able to run this a little bit lower and create like the same output, you know? So it would in turn maybe burn less fuel. I don't know. Okay, let's go with the boiler stuff. So we are QIO. Let's open that, and boilers. Need the boiler casing, which is pretty simple. So it's like iron and... Oh my gosh. 19,000. And let's do a whole bunch. Let's make a whole stack. Let's make 64 of them for now. Alright, and then we'll go over here, and we're going to see if we can do this. I don't know if we can make it oblong, but we'll try. So I just want to have like one space. So 4 by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 by 7. And then we're going to make it pretty tall. We're going to make it even with the roof. There we go. 1, 2, there. Okay. Let's break that one. And we'll need a few more. $16 should be good. Alright, and let's see. One more recipe will do it. Just to get the basic. Alright, so there's that. Okay, so now we're going to need 2 of these valves. So one more recipe. And then we need to make ourselves a circuit and alloy. And that'll go into here. So we get our control circuit, infused alloy, this, and then reactor casing, or boiler casings. Alright, so now we have 2 boiler valves. So we want to have, oh, actually we need to do one more. We need 8 boiler valves. So let's get that. Because we need 2 inputs and 2 outputs. Alright, so you'll go here. Alright, so 4 of these. So I want to do, let's see, maybe we do water input on the bottom. And then sodium. And then hot stuff. So we're going to have water coming out of here, going into this. Oh man, this is gonna be fun. All right, so water will actually. Okay, so we're gonna have to move some stuff. So let's break that and this. Okay, so my steam's gonna go in, but steam's gonna be on the top over there. So let's do this. Do we want to do it like that? So it's going to be steam, and that's going to be water. So water's going to be down here, and steam's going to be up there. Alright, so then we can take the mechanical pipes and hook them up higher. We don't need those ones over on that anymore. Oh, actually, this will be like closed loop, right? So then we can go over. So once it gets filled up, that's how it's going to go. All right, then we'll have to get some more of the mechanical pipes and hook those up. Okay, so structural glass. Alright, so let's go make some more. That is, oh, okay, we need to get some glass. All right, so what's new, guys? Anything? That should be more than enough. Actually, that's not even be close to enough. Wow, okay. Let's make some more. Another 32 of them. Alright, so now we have to make... Not sure what it's called, so we're going to search for a second. Should be along with all the other boiler stuff, right? The pressure disperser. So it's going to be made like that, okay. And then we need a superheating element. Alright, so we're going to need a few of these. So maybe I'll do like, I don't know. Maybe I'll do like 6 of those. And then a whole bunch of pressure dispersers. So pressure disperser is made with infused alloy and the iron gates. Or grates. Iron bars. And steel. Alright, so let's make some of these. Let's see, maybe 6 will be enough? A quad witch hut seed? That's pretty sweet. What new mod pack did you start, Carsomer? Alright, so now we've got that, and we need to make superheating element. So let's grab some osmium, and let's grab some more of that. We'll get this crushing. And let's make... I've got 48 left, so we should be good. Superheating element. I don't know. What do we got? 2 wide, and then maybe 10 of them? Is that what I need? How many per recipe do we get? Okay, just 1. Alright, so let's grab a stack of redstone and a stack of copper. Superheating element. Let's do all 10 of those, and then we'll see if we need more. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I think we go. Maybe we'll do it like... Oh shit, I did the wrong one. I did them backwards. Do I not have my thing on? Oh, why did I have that off? I did them totally backwards. Because I was going to do like something like that. Maybe we'll do like 8 of them now. Do that. Because I think that still heats them up. As long as it's in the bottom chamber. Heats the water up or whatever. So we want the pressure dispersers. A layer of those. So I want 4 more pressure dispersers. And then some more structural glass. So we need 8 more structural glass. Okay, so that worked. So now we're going to take and get water into there. So I got to make some more pipes. Might as well make them advanced since we're here. That one's the elite. We got just a whole bunch of mismatched stuff. Let's break that one. And at least get this one to there. And that one's elite as well. Let's get that one pumping more. Alright, so that's filling up with water. It's going to create steam. And we're going to need the pressurized tubes. Oh, I've got 14 of them. We should be good. Alright, so that's good. So that's going to make steam. And then it's going to pump into there. Alright, so now this one, we got to take our sodium. Oh, it's so low. We need so much more. So what's that? What is that color? That color is input, output waste, output coolant. So we want to output the coolant, which is going to be the hot stuff, to the top. So that we'll have one port here. Alright, you're going to output coolant to that. And you're going to take water, or take the other stuff from here. Need one more reactor glass. Well, this one's getting crazy. Here we go. All right, so you're back formed again. You're getting filled up. What is my tank capacity? We've got 122,000. If I go to 1 millibucket per tick. It's like we don't have any more left. When you made yourself with some mods, you want to try on 115, Terraforge, Dungeon Crawl, Create, and Immersive Engineering. Nice, as well as a few others. It's pretty lightweight. I like lightweight packs too. Snowman, I think they're fun. It's a lot easier for me. I don't get as distracted. So now we've got water. We're good to go with that stuff. We just need to make some pipes. And then those are those. I need to grab more steel. I need to change this too. Alright, so we want glass. We want steel. We do that. Let's at least upgrade these. Advanced pressure. Oh wait, we don't need mechanical. We just need the pressurized ones. Alright, so this, we're just going to bump that up to there. And then do something like that. Uh-oh. Oh, don't mess it up. Okay, it won't, because it's not running. Alright, there we go. Alright, so let's go with output, what, not waste, output coolant. Why doesn't it say what's in it? It says no. Alright, and this is going to be input. Right, that is set to input, and this one's going to be input only. This one's going to be output steam. Output coolant. Right? No. Input. Output coolant. Input only. Okay, I think we're set up right. The coolant tank has sodium in it, so why? Oh, that's still working on cooling down. So where's my output? Right here, right? Output steam, output coolant. Input only. The coolant should be at the bottom, right? And this is output coolant. Okay, so it's got the superheated sodium. And it's not like pulling it though. Why not? Do I have something set up wrong? Oh, you're right. It's not. Why don't I have structure glass? Oh, crap. What? Yeah, what happened to it? I must... Oh, I probably didn't build it back, and then I used the rest of whatever I had for the boiler. No, you don't need the heat pipes. It's a myth. The thermal. All right, there we go. Now we're getting steam. Because this, if I can figure out how to pump that out. So is this supposed to be... Okay, pressurized tube. I don't know why it's not working. I screwed up in the design here. Okay, normal. So let's try this one to output coolant. This one to be input. This one to be output coolant. This be input. Did we just get it? No. Okay, so if that one's input, we'll take this one, output, and this one to be input, and this one to be output. Still not working. Why? Why isn't it working? That's output. That's output. Oh, that's input. Input only. Output coolant. Maybe there's something in it. Maybe like all of my switching, I got something stuck in the pipes. So we're probably going to get radiated here. Shit. Blech. Nope. Why is that? Output coolant. Okay, we have sodium. Ladies and gentlemen, we have sodium. So why is that out? Why is that sodium though? So we want that to be the input, right? If it works, then it works. So we'll just leave it like that. And then what's this set to? So if we've got sodium, then we're just going to make that an input. We'll make this one our output. And we'll make this one our input. Actually, neither. There's our reactor port. There we go. Alright, you're going there. Alright, so we need boiler valve. That. Is that right? Creating a little bit of power. We're creating some high temperatures here with that sodium. And it should be making, unless it's matters because it's backwards. But I would think the sodium, the cold stuff should be down here, you know? Or we take the cold stuff, or the hot stuff, and put it in here. I don't know. We'll see. Oh! It's gonna blow! Shit. Let's just take it. Okay, we're done. Oh, you need to cool off. We're gonna wait for it, guys. That wasn't as bad as I thought. Well, my redstone. My redstone's not working. All right. All right. Yeah. Yeah, the radiation level's not crazy. That's micro. There we go. That's a little higher. It's getting higher over this way. Oh, that's because all that crap broke. So this all broke right here. This is what's causing the the waste barrels and stuff that were here. It's still not horrible. That right there's about the worst. Yeah, it was a lot worse when I burst the pipe. And we have no power because I got to get some induction casings. Alright. I'm not going to recover from this one today, guys. This is going to be one of those ones that I mess with some other time. So instead... instead... we're going to play some League of Legends. No. I don't even know if I've ever played that game. Instead, let's go to the thing. Let me set up my thing. Yeah, it blew up, mnemonic. Big bada boom. Yeah. I'm not in the mood right now. I'm not in the mood right now.